Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today we're going to be talking about my Jeep, the plans for spring and summer, but I also want to say thank you very much. We're over 500 subscribers. The making of this film right now, well, we're at 505, so I thank you very much. Anyone that's ever watched, liked, commented, and especially you subscribers, I truly, truly appreciate it. But we're going to talk about the Jeep. This is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I've made dozens of videos on this already, and it's been my project car slash daily driver. I love this thing, but it needs a lot of work. It's rusting out. You can see the front bumper. It needs a little work to it. So what are we going to actually do? Well, first we're going to clean it up. It's wintertime here in Michigan, and that's why I haven't been filming a whole lot. It's been bitter cold or snowing. Right now it's like a wind chill of like 18 right now. I'm quite cold. But first thing we're going to do is basically spruce the vehicle up. A nice wash. The paint's kind of ruined basically. Lots of swirl marks, scratches, and dents. But we're going to clean everything up as much as we can because it's very rusty. So let me take you to the side of the vehicle real quick. So like I said, I want to clean the vehicle up so I can address some of the rust. Now, unfortunately, this vehicle was rusty when we got it, and it just gets worse and worse. Rust, once it starts, it just spreads like crazy, especially in climates like this where we have snow and salt that just cakes up on things and rusts away. So cleaning everything away, you can see, well, my rockers are shot. On both sides, they're completely crumbling. There's holes inside of them, and it's spreading into the body of the vehicle. The door skins are starting to get rusty. If I open the back here, you can just see all the rust that's slowly spreading up. So we're going to clean everything up, remove some trim pieces, and try to, well, clean up some of the rust, do some touch up with primers and paints and rust preventative, just to slow down that process. Now, if I had a lot of money, I'd basically replace the rockers, get some patch panels. We don't have that money right now, so we'll do the best that we can. But other things I want to do is sprucing it up. You can see all the faded plastics in the front and the rear. We're going to replace that. I actually have some, and I'll show you real quickly. So like I said, you can see this is just faded from the sun. The one up front's actually cracked open, but I have damage to the vehicle. So we'll make a whole video of showing you how to remove these bumper caps. We'll do a little addressing of this rust issue and try to straighten out that metal and then replace it. You can see this is dark and black. This is all sun faded. The one up front's broken, so having new caps as well as sprucing up some of the paint and rust issues will make the vehicle look better from 10, 15, 20 yards away. So I've already talked about this before in my fall slash summer video about getting new tires and rims. Well, the new rims are actually sitting behind me, and I never had a chance to paint them before it got frigid cold, and I never had time to get a heater installed in the garage. So basically we'll have new tires, new rims. They're the sport rims, so we'll make a whole video of spray painting those, showing you the process of that, putting new lugs on it, and having awesome Cooper all-terrain tires. They'll be better on-road, off-road conditions. We might do some off-road videos in the future as well. But having those new rims, a little touch-up on the paint, trying to make the paint that is here as best as possible, will help make the vehicle look a little bit better and make some good content. Also, when we make the video of replacing these bumper caps, I think I'm going to remove the front and rear bumper. You can see they're really bad. I have the body matching paint color. We might just respray these bumpers to help make the appearance look better. But something else I might want to do is the headlights. Now, these are already replacement headlights, nice LEDs, but nowadays everything's these amber markers. That's the cool off-road thing. So having a nice amber daytime running light, a nice little fancier LED might be in the future as well. So now inside the vehicle, obviously everything's dirty, so we'll clean up the interior in a nice detailing video. But I kind of want to replace this radio. Now it's nice having cassette and CD, but the antenna's a cheap aftermarket one, and this radio's kind of finicky. Sometimes it goes in and out. So maybe replacing this with a nice modern head unit will kind of bring this car up to the modern date. I'm not sure yet, so let me know in the comments below. Would you guys prefer an old school radio to get replaced, one that works a little bit better, or would you like to see something more modern? Let me know in the comments down below. So basically, the spring and summer plans are to spruce up the vehicle, deal with the rust issues, deal with some of the bumper caps, do a little bit of paint work as well as some cosmetic things to sprucing things up, and maybe replace that radio on the inside. Now, other things that I would like to get to would be replacing the suspension. Basically, new leaf springs in the back and shocks all the way around. I'd also like to do a tune-up. We can go under the hood, fresh oil change, replace the spark plugs and some wires, just to make this thing run a little bit better. It runs good now with under 130,000 miles, so a lot of people say this is low mileage, but I want this thing running as best as it can, even though it is a little rusted out. But let me know in the comments below. Have you guys ever owned one of these vehicles or know someone that's owned one? Have they customized it? Please let me know in the comments down below, because this is a very cool vehicle to customize and modify, and I'd love to hear about it. But guys, that's all I have for you today. I thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines just like this, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.